So hey guys, this is your Bikerdoc here and welcome to today's vlog. So guys, this video is sponsored by Tappezzeria Italia. If you don't know about this brand, they are manufacturing the best in class seat cover for your motorcycle. So guys, what I like most about this brand is that you can customize your seat according to your riding style. If you are a comfort lover, you can go for their comfort system. But if you are a hardcore rider like me, I recommend you to choose the ultragrip option. So guys, I was really excited for this parcel. So finally I received it today. So without any further delay, let's unbox it. So let's see what we have here. Some assembly instructions. One sticker, respect for bikers. And here is the main product. So about this cover, I chose the Ultra Grip option. As you can see, it has very good texture, asphalt type texture on the seat cover. And especially I asked them to engrave this S1000 also, so it can match really with my bike. But they have already RR on their site. You can choose this option. It will cost you somewhere around 200 pounds. But if you will use my coupon code Bikerdoc10, you can get 10% discount on your first purchase. So guys, if you are a track rider, you are going to love this product so much. Because on track, we need so much traction with our tank grips, seats and handlebars. So this asphalt texture will provide you ultra grip as the name suggests. So guys, very soon I'm going to install these seat covers on my bike and I'm going to make a dedicated video how to install these covers on your bike. So if you like this video, please hit that like button, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.